I'm Ray Tristan, co-founder and operations officer of Selyo. So Selyo is a Web3 reputation platform that seamlessly streamlines the exchanges during conferences. It bridges the digital to physical. So Selyo tokenizes social interactions, wherein social interactions are converted to NFTs or digital badges. So it's not different to the traditional minting that we experience in digital platforms. But with the case of Selyo, we provide physical interfaces wherein the users can use to interact with exhibitors or with other organizers. So Selyo's primary goal is to onboard users into more Web3 platforms. We plan on onboarding users that are not familiar with Web3, with how blockchain works. So we plan on onboarding everyone, literally everyone. We plan on getting involved with events, not just within the Web3 space, but outside of Web3 in order to onboard more users into Web3 platforms. Selyo is basically the next gen digital calling card wherein not only you can exchange contact details, but at the same time, you can exchange your entire showcase of who you are, your experiences, your certifications, and wherever you've been. So in the coming years, you can expect that Selyo is a full-blown reputation platform wherein it's something that you would use to introduce yourself. For example, during conferences, since I called it the next gen digital calling card, you could just easily whip out your NFC card or cellular profile in order to showcase who you are. So it's not only a way to introduce yourself with people or a way to connect with other. We expect it to be utilized, for example, in job interviews. Instead of having to pull up your LinkedIn, you could just use your cellular profile, your showcase, in order to let the interviewer know who you are. We're both on Facebook and X, Selyo. And as for our email address, we're gm@selyo.quest. So we are looking for early adopters, organizations or event organizers that want to provide convenience to their members and peers.